Have you already tried pampering yourself, going to a spa to have a foot massage? If so, good for you, but it's expensive, right? If not, what if I tell you NURSAL Foot Spa Massage can make it possible? Just watch the whole video and find out how. Hey YouTube, what's up? If this is your first time visiting this channel, my name is Vinz, Filipino YouTuber here in USA. And before we start, I just want to say a quick shout out to the following people. Sean Galvez, 3 Idiots, Herbs World from UK. Yes. Shout out to you guys. And I want to welcome new subscribers to my channel. John Limwell Titular, Eka Danyo, and JMB9. Thank you guys. Welcome to me. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thanks for the support. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video for a product called NURSAL Foot Spa Massage. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So it's kind of big. Here it is, guys. So what's in the box? So it comes with a user manual. So here's the feet massage rollers, and then so this is how it looks like. Again, from NURSAL, temperature, power, bubbles, and timer. I guess let's go ahead and try using it, right? So let's just go over first with the parts. So here's the handle, here's the control panel, so here's the cover, here's the base, here is the massage rollers or the massage wheel, so here's the bubble cover or the lamp cover, and then this one is the storage box, and lastly this is the drainage. Okay, so yeah, this is the drainage. Now let's put some water. So first we need to fill it with water. I don't know how much is needed, but I guess it's just a pretty decent amount. Oh my. Next is the power button. Let's try 95. And by the way, this is the temperature of the water. So if you want to adjust it, just right here. And if you want to adjust the heating button, I guess this is the one and this is the indicator. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, what is this one? And then if you want to use a timer, the default setting is 30 minutes. And then each press is 10 minutes. It will add 10 minutes until you reach 60 minutes. Now, if you want to trigger or turn on the bubble function, just press this one. Wow! Amazing! See? Okay, so this one is for the bubbles. And I guess this one is if you want to increase the heat, maybe. I guess this one will light up. Oh, yep. So if you want to turn it off, just press it again. And then don't put ichow or achow, rose petals, and salt bags in the storage box. Storage box is right here. Okay, so I guess we gotta try it. OMG, my feet. look really bad, but I guess after this massage it will look great. Okay guys, let's try this. OMG, wow. Let's try bubbles. So guys, if you want to buy this product, I will put the link in the description section. So this is called the NURSAL Foot Spa Massage with Heat. So it has 11 mini massaging rollers per foot. So I will just share you guys the best features of this NURSAL Foot Spa Massage. So this one actually promotes blood circulation, improves metabolism, and stress relief for fatigue. And as for the quality, I like NURSAL because it is high quality. It is made of secure multi-insulation protection. And this one is designed to fit most feet, guys. And lastly, this is great gift for your family, for your friends, for your loved ones. Yeah, so again, I will put the link in the description section. Okay guys, so let me tell you this. So I no longer need to go to the spa to have a foot massage. I love it. So if you want to buy this product, I will put the link in the description section. So all you have to do is purchase from that link and then send your Amazon order number to the second link that I will be providing to claim your $10 Amazon gift card. Yes, you heard it right. Again, purchase the product from the link that I'll be providing below. And then once you purchase the product, send your Amazon order number to the second link that I'll be pasting below. And you will get a chance to claim your $10 Amazon gift card for the first 50 customers using this link. It's so easy guys, just follow the instructions and then NURSAL will be giving away $10 Amazon gift card for the first 50 customers using the link below. Yep. And you know what guys, for real, it's relaxing. So guys, for the full product features, I will also put in the description section if you're interested. Again, this product is amazing. This is my first foot spa at home actually, so I kind of like it. This is perfect for this weather and for this season during quarantine, you know. So you better get your own. And yeah. I guess that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't yet, please do so. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you on my next video. Bye!